Hey, what is up, nation? In this session, we're going to be seeing if you can guess the 3D renderer. I get so many comments on my videos about how different renderers are better than others. Vray is better than Lumion, Lumion is better than Twinmotion, Twinmotion is better than Blender. And so I figured, you know what? I'm just going to let you guys decide. We're going to play a little game because I think that a lot of people have certain biases because of how just what they're used to. And so I figured let's throw 4 3D renderers into a ring and see which emerge victorious. Can you tell which renderers are better than others? So what we're going to do is, the way this is going to work is we have 4 renderers. We have Blender, we have Lumion, we have Vray, and we have Twinmotion. And then what we're gonna do is each of those renderers has 3 images. We're gonna go through all 12 of these images and you're gonna try to guess which 3 belong to which category. Hopefully you guys enjoy. Let me know if you like this in the comments down below and let me know how you did. And without further ado, let's jump into it.